Hello viewer, it's our phone here. We are using to edit add a paint into that phone. We use the red color for the painting there. I will use the similar designs. Explore the more options to use it. Add another paint here. So we will generate another phone here. Try to make an attraction. Add a paint again. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.